Need to find your eSIM number on iPhone? Here are the fastest ways to do it. First, open Settings. Go to General, then tap About. Scroll down until you see your eSIM information. Here you'll find details like carrier, IMEI, IMEI2, and ICCID. These are often needed when contacting your carrier. To see the actual phone number, go back to Settings. Scroll down to Apps, then tap Phone. Tap My Number. This is the phone number linked to your eSIM. Go back to Settings and tap Cellular. If you use dual SIM or multiple eSIMs, you'll see them listed here. Tap the eSIM you're using. You'll see the phone number again. If you have dual eSIM, each line may have a different number. Always make sure the number matches your carrier records. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your eSIM number. Subscribe for more quick iPhone guides